Fire of unknown origin destroyed the contents of a whole supermarket in Discovery Bay, St. Anne last night. The owners estimate millions of dollars in losses. Police say the Chinese owners and operators of Ina Wholesale securely locked their business place about 8:30 p.m. But about 10 p.m. they heard the supermarket was on fire. 2 units from the St. Anne Fire Department responded to the scene. The building was not insured. However, concerned consumers promised to help the owner rebuild.
This supermarket is one of the most reliable supermarkets because I work at the doctor's surgery there, Dr. Enoch's office. We have a great loss, and I'm so sorry and I sympathize.
She's a wonderful business person and we don't want to lose her. We want her to stay here with us.
Yes, I saw compassion and hurt with her. I'm going there to give her a hug now.